To configure the lead categories, go to your Lead Wizard tab and select the lead categories from the drop-down menu. Here you can view, edit, or delete any of the 240 pre-populated lead categories. The changes you make will automatically be applied to everyone on your team. Please note that if you make changes to an existing category that you or any member of your team has already added leads to, those leads remain in the system. However, the category tied to those leads does change to the new entry. For example, if you changed accountant to whale watcher, every lead in your team designated as an accountant would suddenly be designated as a whale watcher instead. To control which lead categories are included when you send out a Lead Wizard inviter, this column is what you'll use. While you can select all 240 lead categories, most people are really overwhelmed when presented with more than about 10. You can change the included categories at any time. Many teams find it helpful to focus on a half dozen categories each quarter or each month. This way, the same referral sources can be repeatedly used over time, increasing referral yields. To add a lead manually, go to your Lead Wizard tab and select Add Lead from the drop-down menu. Here you can enter a lead's basic information, like their names, phone number, or email address, and even any special notes you may have. You can also assign them to a category or prioritize them using the drop-down menus in those fields. Be sure to click the Add Lead button to save your information. You can see all your leads by going to your Lead Wizard tab and selecting Manage Leads from the drop-down menu. Here you can view and manage all of the leads in your system. You can increase or decrease the number of entries on each page by using the drop-down under Current Leads. You can search for a lead via the search box above the entry date column. Click on a column header to sort by that data. Click on the trash can to delete a particular lead, or use the pencil icon to open it. Once opened, you can review the lead's information, edit it if necessary, or move them out of your leads and into your prospects, where you can begin to actively apply your sales process. If you make any informational changes, be sure to click Update to save them. To view your newest leads only, go to your Lead Wizard tab and select New Leads from the drop-down menu. Here you can view all of the leads added since the last time you logged in. This is a great way to keep tabs on how successful your Lead Wizard inviter is. To expand your warm market, go to your Lead Wizard tab and select Memory Jogger from the drop-down menu. Here, you can view all the possible lead categories, as well as how many people are in each category. Clicking on a category title will allow you to manage all of the leads in that category. This helps prevent double entry and empowers you to fill your pipeline selectively. You have all the same table control options here as elsewhere in the system, and you can add a new lead directly from here by clicking the Add New Lead in the top right-hand corner of this box. Adding a new lead from within a category changes the default, but the field can still be adjusted via the drop-down. To use your inviter, go to your Lead Wizard tab and select Lead Wizard Inviter from the drop-down menu. Enter the recipient's name and email, then use the drop-down to select the template of the email you'd like sent. The recipient does not need to be a contact in your system. You can send a Lead Wizard inviter to anyone so long as you have their email address and permission to contact them. To import leads, go to your Lead Wizard tab and select Import from the drop-down menu. From here, you can download templates to properly format your lead files or upload your CSV files one at a time. Even though you can download an Excel template, you must upload in CSV only. To export your leads for any reason, go to your Lead Wizard tab and select Export from the drop-down menu. From here, you can click the button and your leads will download according to your computer's usual process.